is fresh. Super duper fresh.
F-R-E-S-H, fresh, fresh. This kid is fresh, unlike the rest. This kid's the best. Nobody else but could pass the test, 'cause he's F-R-E-S-H.
Super duper fresh.
Woo! This is some penguin weather. But you know what? I don't mind because, yes, it is finally reading time. One of my favorites, Rodro the Weirdo, with thoughts and drawings by Paul Rodriguez. Hey, that's me. I wonder if this ever happens to you. Do people make fun of the things that you do? Or the things that you say? Or the things that you eat? Or the size of the toes on the ends of your feet? My face is foot-shaped, I'm too skinny, too tall, and my ears are much more than 2 sizes too small. These are some things I get bullied about by kids who are awful and won't cut it out. Sometimes they laugh at me like I'm a show. They point and they tease, and I want you to know, it's not very easy to have a good day when some kids have so many mean things to say. Now here's some more things I get bullied about. Perhaps you can help me to figure them out. To keep up my spirits, I sing all the time. I'm no virtuoso, but that's not a crime. I mostly wear orange, but I have a hat that's purple and pink, and I like to wear that. I'm a great swimmer, I love to jump in, but I wear a wetsuit to cover my skin. If I have to sit for too long in my seat, I must rock my body or shuffle my feet. They call me a weirdo for acting that way. Is that nice or mean? What do you say? Maybe I'll just have to call it a day. Or I can just find a good friend and go play. Just like the next kid, I love a good game. Except I get bored if it's always the same. That's why I make up new games of my own. They're more fun than any game you've ever known. Like opposite soccer, you play with your hands and 2 big balloons on the grass or the sand or right in your room if it's big enough for you and a friend to do silly stuff. They called me a weirdo on such a good day. Is that cool or cruel? What do you say? Maybe I'll quietly go to the back. Or I can move forward by having a snack. Sometimes my energy gets really low, and I need a snack to help brighten my glow. The best meal is breakfast, but only for dinner. Vanilla French toast is a tasty beginner with ketchup on ice cream, on waffles, on eggs, on pancakes, on french fries like odd little legs, with pickles and whipped cream on top of a biscuit, and I might get sick, but I'm gonna risk it. They called me a weirdo on such a good day. Is that right or wrong? What do you say? Maybe I should just admit that I'm through. Or I can go paint something orange and blue. I'm very creative, and art is my way of showing the world what I have to say. What some see as frightful, I see as rightful for making cool artwork that I find delightful. I once made a high-flying unicorn shark with recycled tires, some apple tree bark, my purple pajamas, a rattlesnake tail, the tongue of a sneaker, the shell of a snail, a hat made of socks that I found in the couch, a pink gummy bear, and a kangaroo pouch. They called me a weirdo on such a good day. Is that kind or unkind? What do you say? Maybe I need to give up and give in. Or I can just not let them under my skin. When people tease me, it makes me upset, but I have a cure that helps me forget. I love to dance! I love ticking and popping, sliding and gliding, flipping and flopping, stepping and stomping, bouncing and bopping, twirling and leaping, and there is no stopping me when I hear music that gets me to move. It cheers me right up and my feelings improve. But they still call me weirdo. What should I do? If I'm weird, does it mean I'm a bad person too? I'm never mean and would not hurt a tree. But kids who are cruel, they like to hurt me. When I ask for selfies, they say, take a hike. And like it or not, I never get liked. There's nothing to fear, it's not like I bite, but some people think that my head isn't right. Maybe I just don't belong on the earth. Or I can stand tall and show them what I'm worth. I'm done with their teasing. I'm weird. It's true. I won't let them shame me. I know what I'll do. I'll change my feelings from anger to glee by making their teasing a tribute to me. As long as I don't ever harm anyone, weird isn't bad. It's just different and fun. I'll make it my motto. I'm weird and I know it. I'm proud and I'll make a cool nickname to show it. Then people will love me wherever I go, and I'll be the person they all want to know. I'll be the star of the Be Myself show, the one and the only Rodro the Weirdo. Hey, no matter what, always remember, however you are, shine like a star.
R-O-E-R-O-I-B, that is my identity. So listen, look at me carefully, cause I'm gonna tell you a little something about me. This here is fresh. Super duper fresh. When I arrive, my friends high five, cause they know I make the party live. I barefoot boogie and all that.